Okay, so here I am working on the courthouse in Phelps County, Missouri, and we've got 439 of the 456 photos aligned. So what I want to do now is I'm having an issue. It's called far plane clipping. So if we watch this video, this is a video I've already exported of the project that I'm showing here. So you can see it's okay on this elevation or plane, but as soon as the camera starts to leave this plane, you'll see that a gray plane comes into existence and kind of breaks the video, right? So this is called a far plane clipping issue. There's not a lot of information on the internet about it. If you Google it or DuckDuckGo for it, you're not gonna find a whole lot. But what I figured out is that so I don't have GCPs yet, so I've had to make control points manually, and in reality capture, those are called tie points. So if we look right here, this is just a tie point. So what I found is that I need to change these from tie points to control points or ground control points. So I've already labeled 3 here: GCP left block, GCP parking line, and park curb. So I went back out to the site and I collected GPS coordinates with a handheld Garmin unit at 3 different spots that I was already using as tie points here. And then, so I'll show that here. So I actually took 4. So this was the paint line, this is the curb, this is the left block, and this is the right block. So we take these, we take the latitude, longitude, and elevation from those, and we come back into reality capture. And on here, I've already done it, but you'll take tie point and you'll change it to ground control point. Then once you do that, you'll need to pick your coordinate system. GPS WGS 84 is what I'm using. So then just put the latitude, longitude, and altitude in there. Now I think there's not a lot of information about this problem on the internet, or maybe I'm just not searching for the right thing. That's probably more likely the problem. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to realign everything, and then I'm going to rebuild the model, and I'm going to colorize it, and then I'm going to export a video. But all that obviously takes a lot of time, so I'll just cut now to that. Okay, so here is the newly aligned component. So I'm going to go ahead and build the mesh model on it, and then we'll shoot a video on it. Again, I don't know how else to see if the far plane clipping issue has been resolved without going through all of these steps and then exporting a video and then looking at that. Okay, at this point we have the model completed, and I'm going to go ahead and colorize it, and then we will shoot a video with it. Awesome. So it looks like everything got colorized, looking good, and I pulled back the edges of the scene so we can see basically as much of the scene as I photographed. This side over here, the east side, there's a fence, so it was really hard to kind of get a good view in there. But so okay, I'll go ahead and shoot a video, and then we'll see what it looks like. Oh, I already have a video set up, so we'll just go ahead and export it here. Okay, the video is done exporting, so let's take a look at it. So we're just looking for that gray back plane, I guess, or far clipping issue to show up, and it looks like it is done. Yeah, looks like it's resolved now. But if you look, too bad. I didn't get enough good photos of this corner, so it didn't come together very well. Okay, that's it.